What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a nice song from Moon River from Breakfast at Tiffany's. Okay, so let's go. This song is not super advanced, but it's definitely not for beginners. And it's got some jazz chords if you're interested in that stuff. So, alright. Let's go. It's not the regular strumming stuff that I normally do. Standard tuning. Alright, I'm going to call out the chords, and if we don't know it, if it's something more advanced, I'm just going to explain it. We got F major bar chord. The song is in F major. Alright. First finger. 3, 4, 2. And it starts like this. Pick 6, 5, strum. That's like the feel for the whole song. And then when she starts singing, do that once, and then we go to D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I mean, to B flat major. So that's first fret A, and then you get a bar D, G, B. And then we have A over F. So grab an F chord here from D string and play A in the bass. Back to B flat. Alright, let's do that again. On top. Start singing. B flat. Back to B flat. Alright, let's call that the first section. And then we have E minor 7 flat 5. So if you grab a low E, 2, D, 3, 3, 3, G, B, E, to A7. Okay, so that's A7, 2D, 2B, D minor up here. It's a bar chord, so 5, 7, 7, 6. Same picking. Then we have, this is a cool chord. We've got a C in the bass over an F7. Nice. To B flat major. To an E flat 9. That's one of those chords that I need to explain if you don't know it. 6 on the A, 5 on the D, 6 on the G, and 6 on the B. Nice jazz chord. Alright, so let's do it from the top. So let's do it in sections, alright? F major, D minor, B flat, A over F, B flat, A over F, E minor 7 flat 5. And second verse, what's nice about that is second verse is just the same up until this chord, and then it's a little bit different, but it's easier. Second verse. Alright, then we had D minor, C over F7, so that's 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 5. B flat to E flat 7, E flat 9, sorry. Now it gets a little bit weird. D minor. It's going around the circles here. So that's D minor, B minor 7 flat 5. That's 2 3 2 3 on the starting on the A string. I'm gonna do a quick jump to E7 here. That's 7 6 7 5 starting on the A string. Okay, so from that D minor. Alright, and then an A minor. Like this, jazz A minor. That's 5 5 5 5E 5D 5G. And another 7 chord, same as the other one, but starting on the 5th fret. And then move back down here and play G minor. Same as the A, but down here, and a C7. And then second verse. Alright, let's play all that stuff. It's a lot of stuff. F9, and the last part of this first verse. A7, A minor D, G minor C, back to verse 2. So this is all the same. D minor. Play like this. First finger, second finger, pinky. Now we want to keep these fingers where they are, grab C in the bass. And now we need B in the bass over D minor, so we're going to have to switch these two guys like that. Let's do that again. B13, I believe it is. So like a B major, but now you want to add the high E string, 3rd fret. To A over F, B major, A over F. It's the end here, D minor. G minor. We did that earlier. C7. And she's done singing here, and then they do like a cool ending. It's B flat, A over F, G minor, F. Alright, I'm gonna play through the whole thing, and I would suggest to get a pen and paper. I'll write all this down. It's a lot of stuff. Intro. Okay, singing. D minor, B flat, A over F, B flat, A over F, E minor 7 flat 5, A7, D minor, C over F7. That's 9, D minor, B over to D minor, B13. They break there a little bit. A over F, B major, A major F, E major, D minor, G minor, C7, and that's the end of the song. Cool. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Maybe I'll do something easier tomorrow, right? 3 chords. All right. Take it easy.